Welcome to my class. Introduction. Class Standard 11-12. Subject Higher Mathematics first paper. Chapter name Integration. Exercise 10B, Lecture 2. Today's lesson to explain substitution method. Method of substitution, that's mean change of variable, that's mean we have to substitute a new variable. That's mean the most useful method of solving problem on integration is the method of substitution, that is the introduction of a new variable. Theorem, if x is equal to g of z, that means g is a function of z. Here was x is a variable and new variable is z. Then integration of f of x dx, this equal to integration f g of z, g prime z dz. Proof, let capital F of x, this equal to integration of small f of x dx. Now differentiating on both sides with respect to x, will get capital F of x with respect to x, this equal to small f of x. This is the equation number 1, and also given x is equal to g is a function of z, that's mean this. Now differentiate this with respect to z, will get dx by dz, and right side will be g prime z. This is the equation number 2. Now derivative of capital F of x with respect to z, this equal to, we can write derivative of capital F of x with respect to x into derivative of x with respect to z. That's mean this cut will get this part. So this equal to, we can write this, no problem. Now derivative of capital F of x with respect to x, this equal to small f of x. Okay, and this equal to, we can write c prime z. That's mean from 1 and 2. Now different derivative of capital F of x with respect to z, this equal to this, because here x is equal to g of z. Okay, now integration on both sides with respect to z, will get here capital F of x, and right side will be integration of this into dz. Okay, but this equal to what? Capital F of x, this equal to integration of small f of x dx. Okay, that's mean proof is complete, and we have to remember this. Okay, now note this equation number 2 is dx by dz. Therefore dx is equal to what? Dx is equal to g prime z dz. Now follow. Dx this equal to g prime z dz. But x is equal to what? X is equal to g of z. Okay, that's mean this is a before theorem. Okay, and this equal to, that's mean this part is equal to, we can write this, that's mean this equal to, we can write this integration of f g of z into d g of z. That's mean this and this same. Okay, after calculating this part is equal to g prime z dz. You have to remember. Okay, type 1. If the given problem is of the form, that's mean f of x is equal to g x g prime x, or g x to the power n g prime x, or t g x into g prime x. Here t is a trigonometric ratio, that's means sine, cos, tan, cot, etc. And more form t g of x to the power n into g prime x, e to the power g x into g prime x, or e to the power t g x into g prime x etc. Okay, now follow problem 1. Find the value of 3 minus 2x to the power 4 dx. Here this part is not only x, so for easy to calculate we have to let 3 minus 2x this equal to z. That's mean substitute this equal to z. Now derivative of this with respect to z, here will be 0 minus 2 dx by dz and right side will be 1. But for calculation we can write minus 2 into dx this equal to dz. That's mean follow this part, and dx is equal to minus half dz. Therefore this equal to z and power 4, so z to the power 4 minus half dz. D of x is equal to this. Now taking minus half out of integration, and here will be z to the power 4 dz, and this equal to no formula x to the power n. X to the power n mean x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. As here is n is equal to 4, so x to the power 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 plus c, and minus half fixed. This is arbitrary constant. Now calculate minus 1 by 10, 3 minus 2x to the power 5 plus c. Here not x, that will be z, because here is z. So here will be z to the power 4 plus 1, as z is equal to 3 minus 2x here. Okay, this is the required answer. Type 2. If the given problem is of the form integration of f prime x divided by f of x dx, that's mean when will derivative denominator and get numerator, that's mean after derivative this part will get this, then we can write ln of denominator. Here denominator is f of x plus c. This form and this form same, because in my previous theorem I had explained f prime x and df of x same, f prime x dx, and this part same. Clear? And another form integration of f prime x divided by square root over f of x. Okay, f prime x dx mean df of x, f prime x dx mean df of x, that's mean this and this same, and this equal to, we can write 2 root over f of x plus c. Clear? And by applying this formula we can derive integration of tan x dx. Tan x mean this equal to, we can write sin x by cos x, and sin x dx, this equal to, we can write minus d of cos x, because differentiation or derivative of cos x this equal to minus sin x, here will be dx minus sin x dx, but here is plus sin x dx. So for getting this part we have to into here minus, as a result minus, and this minus will be plus, so this equal to, we can write this, and this equal to, we can write minus ln of cos x plus c. This is the formula by applying this formula. Okay, but ln of cos x mean 1 by sec x, and ln 1 by sec mean ln m by n. Ln m by n mean ki, ln m by n mean ln m minus ln n, as here is minus, and here will be ln 1 minus plus ln sec x, but ln 1 this equal to what? 0. So this equal to, we can write ln of sec x plus c. That's mean this equal to, we can write another from this. And that will be used for formula for solving a math. So you have to remember this or this. Okay. Problem 3. Find the value of integration of cot x dx. Same way, cot x dx mean integration of cos x by sin x dx. But cos x dx, this equal to d of sin x. Sin x fixed, this equal to, we can write ln of sin x plus c. Problem 4. Find the value of sec x dx. Sec x, this equal to, we can write 1 by cos x. That's mean dx by cos x. At cos x means sin pi by 2 plus x. And sin a or sin 2a, this equal to, we can write 2 sin a cos a. As here is a mean 2 into pi by 4 plus pi by 2. 2 into pi by 4 plus pi by x by 2. That's mean 2 to cut will get pi by 2 plus x. So this equal to, we can write again follow pi by 2 plus x mean 2 into pi by 4 plus x by 2 for making formula sin 2a. Okay, so this equal to, we can write 2 sin a cos a, and this equal to dividing on both numerator and denominator by cos square pi by 4 plus x by 2. As a result, numerator will be sec square pi by 4 plus x by 2, and this half we can take here, and here cos pi by 4 plus x by 2 and cos pi by 4 plus x by 2 cut, we will get sin pi by 4 plus x by 2 by cos pi by 4 plus x by 2. As a result, this will be tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. Now this equal to half of sec square pi by 4 plus x by 2 dx mean this. We know because in my previous theorem I had explained. So this equal to, we can write ln of tan pi by 4 plus x by 2 plus c. Or we can solve in another way and result will be different. Follow sec x. Sec x means sec into sec x plus tan x by sec x plus tan x. That's mean multiplying both numerator and denominator by sec x plus tan x. As a result, here will be sec square x plus sec x tan x by sec x plus tan x into dx. Now differentiating this will get this. That's me differentiating this part, this equal to this. So this equal to, we can write ln of sec x plus tan x. That's mean ln of denominator. You can follow this line, differentiate of this mean differentiate of sec x, this equal to sec x tan x, and differentiate of tan x, this equal to sec square x. Okay. Find the value of integration of cosec x, not sec x, cosec x, cosec x, this equal to, we can write dx by sin x. That's mean cosec x, this equal to 1 by sin x. So this equal to, we can write this. Here will be dx by 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. We know this formula. Divide on both sides, both numerator and denominator by cos square x by 2. As a result, we will get this. And differentiate of tan x by 2, this equal to, will get this. As a result, this equal to, we can write ln of tan x by 2 plus c. Same math. Okay, here will be cosec x, not sec x. Alternative way, same. We have to multiply both numerator and denominator by cosec x minus cot x by cosec x minus cot x. That's mean here will be cosec x into cosec x minus cot x, and here will be cosec x minus cot x into dx. This equal to, you can write this, and differentiate of this will get this. As a result, this equal to ln of cosec x minus cot x plus c. This is the required answer. We have to remember this relation, or this consider as a formula. Okay, now follow. Find the value of integration of integration of tan x by ln of cos x dx. Let ln of cos x is equal to z. Now differentiating this with respect to z, will get sin x by cos x, and differentiate of cos x this equal to minus sin x. So here will be minus, right side will be 1, and dz convert into right side. As a result, right side will be only dz, and this equal to tan x. This minus convert into right side. That's mean tan x dx. That's mean this part, this equal to minus dz. Now putting the value of tan x dx, this equal to minus dz, and this equal to z. So integration of dz by z, this equal to ln z, and this minus fixed plus c. But z is equal to what? Z is equal to ln of cos x plus c. This is the required answer. Clear? Type 3, integration of dx by a square plus x square, this equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. We have to prove this equal to this. Follow. This is a given condition, and dx fixed. Now taking common here a square, as a result here will be 1 plus x by a whole square, and taking 1 by a square out of integration, and here will be a into dx by a. After derivating this part, we will get 1 by a into dx. A cut will get only dx. So this equal to, we can write this. Clear? That's this equal to 1 by a, and here will be only dx, and numerator will be same. As a result, we can write here this equal to a cut. That's mean here 1 by a, and we know dx by 1 plus x square, this equal to tan inverse x. X mean x by a. Okay, this formula is used here. Now problem, find the value of integration of dx by 9x square plus 4. This is a given condition. This equal to, we can write 1 by 9 into integration of dx by x square plus 4 by 9, and 1 by 9 into dx by x square plus 2 by 3 whole square. Now this is a formula is of the form this. So this equal to 1 by a, and 1 by 9 fixed, and 1 by a mean 2 by 3 tan inverse x by a mean 2 by 3 plus c. Now calculate, will get 1 by 6. That's mean 3 and 9 cut, here will be 3. That's mean 1 by 6 into tan inverse 3x by 2 plus c. This is the required answer. Okay. Alternative way, this equal to, we can write 3x whole square plus 2 square. As here is x mean 3x, so we convert x is equal to 3x, but d 3x this equal to 3 into dx. 3 cut, will get dx. That's mean this equal to, we can write this. No problem. Now 1 by 3 into dx by x square plus a square, this equal to 1 by a mean 2 tan inverse x by a. That's mean 1 by 3 fixed, 1 by 2 into tan inverse x. X mean 3x by 2 plus c. Now calculate, will get 1 by 6 tan inverse 3x by 2 plus c. This is the required answer. Type 3, integration of dx by a square minus x square. This equal to, 1 by 2 ln a plus x by a minus x plus c, where x not equal to plus minus a. Find the value of integration of dx by 1 minus x square. This equal to, we can write this. This is a form of this. So this equal to, we can write 1 by 2 a mean 1 ln of a plus x, a mean 1 plus x by 1 minus x. 1 mean a, follow this and this same, 1 minus x plus c. This is the required answer. And type 3c, integration of dx by x square minus a square, this equal to 1 by 2 ln of x minus a by x plus c, x not equal to plus minus a. Find the value of dx by 9x square minus 16. This equal to, you can write this, and this equal to 1 by 3 d of 3x by 3x square minus 4 square. This equal to 1 by 3 fixed, and 1 by 2 a mean 4 ln of 3x minus 4 by 3x plus 4. Now calculate 1 by 24 ln of 3x minus 4 by 3x plus 4 plus c. This is the required answer. 3D, type 3D, that's mean integration of dx by square root of a square minus x square. This equal to sin inverse x by a plus c. By applying this formula, we can solve this. That's mean integration of dx by square root over 25 minus x square. This equal to, you can write 5 square minus x square, and this equal to sin inverse x by a mean 5 plus c. This is the required answer. Type 3E, integration of dx by square root over a square plus x square. This equal to ln of integration of a square plus x square plus c x plus c. By applying this formula, we can solve this. Here, integration of dx by square root over x square plus 4x plus 13, and this equal to, you can write 4 minus 4 plus 9, but this makes a formula x plus 2 whole square plus 3 square. This equal to, you can write ln of this, that's mean square root over x plus 2 whole square plus 3 square plus x mean x plus 2 plus c. Now calculate this equal to, you can write x square plus 4ax plus 13. Okay, that's mean this equal to, you can write this plus x plus 2 plus c. This is the required answer. Similarly, we can apply this formula. This and this same is equal to ln of square root over x square minus a square plus x plus c, same as e. Type 3g, integration square root over a square minus x square dx. This equal to this x square root over a square minus x square by 2 plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a plus c. Proof, let x is equal to a sin theta. If the given math is like as this form, we have to let x is equal to a into sin theta. But theta is equal to what? Theta is equal to x by a, and here is sin inverse. So theta is equal to sin inverse x by a, and dx, this equal to a cos theta d theta. That's mean differentiating this with respect to theta, we will get this part. Now putting the value, this equal to, you can write square root over a square minus a square sin square theta into a cos theta d theta. This equal to integration of square root over a square into 1 minus sin square theta, and this part same a cos theta d theta. This equal to, we can write a square root over cos square theta, and this fixed. Now take a into a, that's mean a square out of integration, and here will be cos theta into cos theta. This equal to a square into cos square theta d theta, and this equal to, you can write half into 1 plus cos 2 theta, because 2 cos square theta, this equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta. As here is 2 absent, so we have to take here half. Clear? And half taking out of integration, here will be a square by 2, and integration of 1 into d theta mean d theta, this equal to theta, and integration of cos 2 theta, this equal to sin 2 theta by 2 plus c. Now putting the value of theta, and this equal to, you can write 2 sin theta cos theta plus c. But theta is equal to what? Theta is equal to sin inverse x by a, and cos theta, this equal to square root over 1 minus sin theta, sin square theta, because we'll put the value of sin theta. So follow next line, a square theta plus sin theta into square root over 1 minus sin square theta, and 2 to cut plus c, a square by 2 fixed. Here theta is equal to sin inverse x by a plus sin theta mean x by a square root over 1 minus x by a whole square plus c. Now calculate, we'll get a square by 2 into sine inverse x by a plus a square by 2 into x by a square into square root over a square minus x square plus c. A square cut x into square root over a square minus x square by 2 plus a square by 2 into sine inverse x by a plus c. Proof is complete. Okay, now applying this formula, we can solve this math. That's mean a square mean 1. 1 mean 1 square. So 1 square and 1 same, so we can write this way. This equal to, we can write this by applying this formula. We'll get 1 by 3 fixed x square root over a square minus x square by 2 plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a plus c. Now calculate, taking half common. As a result, here will be 1 by 6 and here 3x square root over 1 minus 1 square minus 9 x square plus sine inverse 3x plus c. This is the required answer, or we can write here only 1, no problem. Clear everyone up to this? And by applying this formula, you can easily solve the other math of this exercise. So everybody will complete this exercise and submit the copy in the group, and date of submission 22/11/2020, time 7 p.m. Everybody will submit the copy. Okay, today up to this. Thank you to all everyone.